I love Disney Springs music.
Yeah.
It makes me want to walk like this. It makes me want to do that dance that Squidward does.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know exactly what dance you're talking about.
You do. Disney ready. Wait.
I'm waiting.
I'm Disney ready.
Now you're Disney ready. Alright, Mickey to Mickey. Make it happen. Where the magic at? Ding. Telling something about themselves. Ooh, it's your girl, TV, with MTV Cribs, Disney style. Where the champagne at? Lovely.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
They did a very good job. All right, of course we got to do a room tour before we destroy the place. Front door, obviously, we have a little courtyard view. That's cute. Walk in, there's a nice, comfortable looking chair. Some Three Caballeros artwork. A Jake! Your room comes with a Jake! And then you got ice bucket, glasses, cups, coffee machine, fridge. Ooh, look at that. Look at that fridge. That fancy. Bunch of drawers and a long vanity. Huge TV playing, of course, my favorite. And then, of course, we got a king room. So we got a huge bed. 2 side tables, which is really nice. I love the sliding doors. Big tall wardrobe, more storage with the 2 sinks, me, and then our little bathroom walk-in shower. What do you think?
I think it's great. It's always great. Coronado Springs is one of those places where every time I walk into one room, I'm like,
I love it here.
this is nice.
And it has a ceiling fan.
A lot more hardwood.
Yeah, they've been replacing carpets basically everywhere with hardwood.
Yeah.
Alright, my battery's dying, so I'm gonna shut this off.
Cool.
Bye.
We're off.
We're off to see Disney Springs. How wonderful Disney Springs is. Disney World.
So that we can turn our tickets into tickets and ticket for the purposes of ticketing.
And do
Ticket things. Da-da. Yeah.
Okay.
This will be our first ride on a Magical Express
Well, it's
Since
not
we've
the
been here.
Magical Express, it's just...
I consider all Disney buses to be Magical Expresses.
Oh. You're wrong.
First, tickets, right?
Yeah, let's go sort out our tickets. Make sure we can get into the park tomorrow.
We're not just gonna hang out in the resort for
Yeah,
9 more days.
For 9 nights.
Woo! Yeah, they said screw you and your navigation needs. Let's look at the app. They only want you to know about the NBA experience, which needed to be a part of Disney for some reason.
Yeah, we won't be going to that.
Where are we headed to?
Nowhere, apparently.
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, someday.
Okay, so we're there. Oh, I think that's If I would have walked probably 10 more steps, I would have figured that out.
But see, that just saved you that 10 steps. Somehow.
I don't know.
Magic. We're getting there. We're getting there.
We're getting there.
Half the tickets have been activated or something. I don't know. Leave it to the military to overcomplicate the Disney experience, though.
I think it's a little bit complicated because we have 2 sets of tickets, too.
Yeah, because we're staying for so long.
Yeah.
If it was one set, it'd be easier. We did it.
We are Disney certified.
We're real boys.
What? Now, what? Am I...
What? What are you doing? Stop it. Yes, I know you can just go on the My Disney Experience app and look at everything they have, but I'm going to film the menu anyway. I know, it just feels satisfying. I understand. If you like bourbon. Taylor just pointed out there's like a million choices, roughly. You gonna get bourbon? It's the brownest of liquors.
It's very loud here.
Yeah, well, we might have to speak up a tad, but so some rando, not even a cast member, just saved us a bunch of time, and we forgot to talk about it until now. But we're standing in the regular quick service line.
At the Plate Pig.
Yeah, at the Plate Pig. Can't talk tonight. Which probably would have taken about 15 minutes to get through to order. And I guess whoever came past could very clearly see we were angsty about it. It was like, just sit at the bar and order from the bar.
So we did. We got a seat right away. We already have drinks. I have sangria.
I got beer. I think it didn't occur to us to do that because, like, where else
Yeah, I don't. It's,
has a bar that you can just go and sit at? It's like, if you're doing quick service, you gotta go to the thing and order. But in Disney Springs, you save a lot of time.
We're really excited for the food too.
Oh yeah. Look at those shots.
I got salmon.
So fancy. Food was here in like 2 minutes. I mean, they literally can't complain about a thing.
Jake, can you face towards me a little bit more? How's your food?
Scrumptious.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So is mine. It is incredible.
Massacre. I did it.
Proud of you.
I'm proud of me too. Proud of you, stomach. We're gonna do great things for the next week. You just wait. So, what are we eating now?
I have to finish my drink.
Okay. What are we doing now?
Get margarita.
Gonna drink some more. Because we're in Disney. What do you do when you're in Disney? Get belligerent! Woo!
It is beautiful out.
Oh my god, yeah. I wish this is what it was like at Epcot Food and Wine Fest. Okay.
It's really dangerous to do that in these shoes.
Yeah, when you've been drinking.
I had one sangria, I'm fine.
see.
Let's see what the margarita does.
I wish this is what it was like for Epcot Food and Wine Festival,
Oh
because
my
I always
gosh,
feel like...
if it was like this out, I'd eat myself stupid.
Yeah, that's always what limits me, is the weather.
It is, absolutely.
It's like stifling and you're trying to eat shepherd's pie.
Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, go to Polite Pig.
Oh, holy, oh my god.
Amazing quick service credit. We're on the dining plan, I don't know if you know that.
Yeah.
Amazing use of the quick service credit. Amazing food,
Yeah.
good drinks, fast service, sit at the bar. Oh, it was perfect. It was a perfect quick service dining experience.
Yeah.
The best quick service dining experience I've ever had.
I would say best quick service meal I've ever had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was delicious, and it was so good.
And yeah, definitely sit at the bar. Just saves you time. The food came in like 2 minutes.
Seriously, we sat down, had drinks, paid, and had our food in like 4.5 minutes.
Yeah. This is great. Really great. Anyway, on to tequila. Nice.
I've been here.
Wait, can you do that again for me? Just real. Nice. All right, I like it.
We've been here. What time did we land last night? We've been here like 22 hours, and I haven't had a tequila yet. So.
Oh, unacceptable. Let's fix that right now.
I can't believe we've only been in Florida for like 22 hours.
It feels like it's been a trip.
Oh my god.
Doesn't it?
That's insane.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh my god, it's Ray.
I hope we get to meet her.
I'm sure we will. Fresh picked margaritas. Oh my god.
Tell me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please help me?
Time to go back to the resort?
Yeah, time to go back. It's 8 o'clock exactly, so it's time.
We can catch up on lost sleep from last night.
Oh, let's hope.
Yeah.
Hoped.
That meme you do when you get to your bus stop at Disney Springs and there's a bus waiting.
Your hands smell like meat.
I smell like beef. Yeah.
By the way, we were on a new bus.
Yeah. How about that? How about that? Can you tell?
It smelled brand new.
It did.
It still smelled.
Had that
They're-
new bus smell.
Yeah, they're pretty new. Which is awesome. They have USB ports in them.
Oh.
So we're gonna head to the, I forget what it's called, like El Mercuro something, the food
Oh,
place.
Mercado del something.
Something like that. Got our refillable mugs.
Oh yeah. And snacks
Some
for tomorrow
snacks
for breakfast.
tomorrow morning, and then head to bed. So we stopped down, got our mugs. We came down to what we used to know as Pepper Market, which is now Mercado de Coronado. It's really nice. It's very modern.
Feels very spacious.
They've made this a convention resort.
Yeah, much more meant for like.
Yeah, absolutely, which works for us.
I think that's kind of our style.
It is. We're very,
No muss, no fuss.
yeah,
We're here to do business, and that business is vacation.
yeah, definitely. So, got some Powerade,
Bah.
hydration, finally. We haven't all day, basically. Yeah, so, let's go see what food they have, and then
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
What up?
Just showing we found the coolers. We were looking for these. Coolers with all kinds of food. Jake's main thing is he gets eggs.
That's where I get my eggs.
He gets hard-boiled eggs. This is strange.
I can't not have my eggs.
You're gonna get. I can get you eggs, Jake, if you really want eggs. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyway, we are headed back to the room. We'll catch up with you then. Here's our room. Try again. It is a little weird to walk in to hardwood. It's like, it feels different.
Yeah, it definitely does.
We are officially back in
true.
the resort. Jake has showered. I am about to, but I wanted to film this before I got like, took what was left of my makeup off. It scared you all because it's Halloween.
How did the day go, Taylor?
You know, it was not a bad day. And then Disney Springs tonight was great. Polite Pig was wonderful. The resort is great. I do really like these new rooms. How's the shower?
Pretty snazzy.
Do they have a melt your skin off power of the shower head?
No, they seem to have dialed the water pressure down, but I had to actually set the like handle to cold
Oh,
to
it was
get
so
it
hot.
cool enough to like take a shower.
Wow, well there you go. I'm gonna go test that here shortly.
Yeah.
But we hope you enjoyed this vlog. We're heading to the Magic Kingdom tomorrow.
Yes, we're heading home.
We're heading home, and it's gonna be really magical, and I'm really looking forward to it. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay magical. Bye.
I know, I'm honestly out of... Your arms hurt. You get to roll both yours with one arm each. I'm rock climb gripping the crap out of these two bags to do it with one hand.